Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a super easy, only 2-stitch wallet. So I did a 12 by 67 piece of fabric. So first you're going to measure 9 centimeters and then you're going to flip that to the back. Then you're going to measure another 9 and you're going to flip that to the front. Next you're going to measure 8 centimeters, so you have 1 centimeter there for the layers, and you're going to put that in the back, and then another 8 centimeters forward. Sorry this is in centimeters, but if you have a ruler you should be able to do it. And then you're going to take that end and meet it all the way up to the other end, and that's all the folding you have to do. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stitch on that side and on that side, and that's all you have to do, and then I will teach you the next step. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to grab scissors and you're going to cut every corner of your wallet that you're making. You do this so that it's easier to flip and the edges just look better when you have your product with you. So make sure you don't cut the thread that you sewed though. So now once you're done with that, it's time to uncover it and flip it. So you're gonna just look for the side that has the color in it, obviously, and you're gonna do 2 simple flips. First is what I'm doing, and you're gonna probably want a pencil so that you can poke out the corners like that and make sure they're nice and intact. Don't poke it too much, because if you do it can cause a hole in the fabric, but just do it to the point where you think it's good. So then the next fold over, I guess, or turn over, you're just gonna do that, and you're just gonna grab your pencil again and fix the corners. And there it is, your very own wallet. It has a little spot for cash, a little spot for your credit card, or whatever else you want. Let me know if you guys like this video and you want more easy tutorials like this. That's it. Bye!